No, this isn't permanent. This is just for mocking up. Welcome back. Another exciting episode. We're gonna get this chopper running and riding. Or my name ain't something. Oh, it's leaking.
Huh. Yeah. Well, we're about to hook up the fuel pump. I cleaned that earlier. There was some crap in there. Hopefully that's the fix to our fuel issue. Not guaranteeing anything, but
We just have to make sure our fuel is getting into the carburetor through the needle and seat and that there's no clogged pilots or idle circuits. And then it should run. Anyway, all right, how are we gonna check this to crank with the fuel pump? Hog cranking.
that's for
Hog cranking gauge.
Hold on, is the gas in?
I crank my,
How about a battery hookup?
nope.
Oh, let's do that then.
Fire extinguishers, I just don't want to mess up my face. Some burns are okay, I guess it's not that face.
Okay. I'm gonna stand for direction.
Oh, it's a good thing you plugged that in so we didn't shut that son of a bitch off.
Probably go over change the switch.
No.
It was the. You have it on, it should be on reserve probably.
Oh, she's sitting there's half tank in there.
Fine.
I think we're gonna need part.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see this. Ooh, it smells like. Wide open. Holy shit. Little sketch.
Yeah.
Here, I don't know, what's it to grease, Riley? About 2 below? 5 below? Here. Riley with the weather report.
1 degree.
1 degree. I thought it felt like it was a little warmer. Holy shit.
12 mile an hour.
Boy, that front end really bounces.
Yes, it does.
Oh my goodness! Holy crap. Well, it moves.
Yeah, it does.
Just like a real chopper, man! Uh-oh. The fuel says no. The jumper?
Dude, I got up on the road because I didn't know which way to go, you know?
Yeah.
It was like I barely accelerated and it felt like 30.
Yeah, it looked like it.
Yeah.
Starter on ya?
No. Ooh. Smells like you got good gas in her. Look out, Carl. Carl. Oh, no.
Get down, get the stretch.
Man, now. So did it? Took off pretty good.
Yeah, it did.
Oh, where'd he go? Nah. How many bolts are loose now? Mr. Chopper Man. Do a burnout. Okay, okay. Don't go into traffic. Jesus. Is that Jesse James on there? Probably out of gas. Whoop. Oh, there's the trees.
Put her on reserve then.
And when you're zoomed in, if you take a look at the real life off of the screen here, you like are looking at trees on the camera.
Yeah, it don't take much.
Oh man. Oh, shaky.
No brakes, man. Jump! Forward!
That thing is sketchy, but it's fun.
I thought it was way more stable than it used to be.
Yeah, it's still sketchy. The seat moves.
Oh, yeah.
The seat's moving real loose now.
It's tall, ain't it?
Should we go in? Let's go in. You want to get the door off film again?
Yeah, buddy.
Uh-oh. They sprayed the camera.
I want to thank everybody that's involved with the making of the chopper and everybody who's been watching this far. And you know what? I highly recommend it. You go buy
Ow! Oh!
Go buy the oldest, sketchiest homemade mini bike you can find and then put the biggest displacement motor you can on it. It's always tons of fun. Thank you everybody who's been watching this far in the series, and I hope you all enjoyed. Probably for seeing it again. Maybe even soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, see it in a couple months in action. For
Yeah. Yeah.
I can't see it right now.
I don't know how much the camera can see. A lot of fogging happening on the camera as well. Get some debris on the lens.
I can see the white of your shoes, that's it.
Yep. All right. Check you later, dudes.
Is camera playing, Andy?
Yeah.
Hey, hi everybody.
Or at least the old
If you
one.
haven't yet, hit that like, subscribe, share, comment if you need to. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time.
Don't drop the camera, dude.
Charge battery pack. Carl.
You have autism. You just straight autism.